The executive governor of Kogi State, Yahaya Bello, says opening a bank account in Nigeria is not mandatory and hence nobody should coerce Nigerians into doing what they don't want to do or even how to spend their money. The governor spoke on Wednesday in Abuja as the Supreme Court ruled that the old Naira notes should continue to be legal tender until the adjourned sitting on February 22, 2023. Bello, with his Kaduna and Zamfara state counterparts, had prayed the court to stop the governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, Godwin Emefiele, from going ahead with the February 10th deadline for the old Naira swap.
We are in court because Nigerians are suffering as a result of this CBN modeled up cashless versus currency redesign. Nobody should compel anyone to open an account if you don't want. You may choose to keep your wealth the way you want to keep it, utilize it the way you want to do it, and every Nigerian should have the liberty to live freely in this society.
The court gave an interim order and shifted the case to Wednesday 15 to determine if the order will be vacated or not. But the Apex Court further adjourned the case till Wednesday 22nd of February to enable 8 other states, Lagos, Ondo, Ekiti, Ogun, Sokoto, Katsina, Zamfara, and Cross River State to join Kaduna, Zamfara, and Kogi as applicants in the suits seeking to stop the CBN redesign policy. 2 states, Bayelsa and Edo, were also allowed to join the federal government as respondents in the new Naira policy. Both the defendant and the plaintiff spoke after the case was adjourned.
Yes, we made the point to the court that the court order of 8th of February restraining the defendant is still subsisting, and the court confirmed now, and the implication of that is that the old notes still remain as legal tender in this country. The policy or directive given by the CBN governor becomes inconsequential in the light of the fact that the court has extended the lifespan of the interim order it granted on the 8th of February to the fact that the old notes and the new notes, all of them are legal tenders in Nigeria. So until the motion or notice taken on Wednesday. So that is the current decision as of now. Any other step in contrary to that will be in contravention of the orders of the court.
We are working towards solving this problem. It's a national problem, and we are working towards solving this problem. There aren't 2 sides. We are affected on both sides. We are trying to solve it. Please, I want you to know the government is not deliberately frustrating the plaintiffs. This is a problem that we are trying to solve. With a little time, it will be solved. Please, I beg you, let us not inflame. It's going to be solved. It's being solved. We are getting over it. And I join in appealing to the banks to put money in the ATM if they have it.
Nigerians are still battling with fuel scarcity of both the new and the old Naira note, even as the nation is set to head to the polls on 25th of February, 3 days after the new adjournment date set aside by the Supreme Court to determine if the old Naira will still be a legal tender or not. Marvelous Obomman in Abuja for Signature TV.